It's a nice day for a drive in a new neighborhood just for fun. You and your significant other agree to stop and tour a home or two to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you are in the market for a home or not, there is no expectation for consumers to sign a buyer-broker services agreement. Open houses are open to the public for anyone to attend. Guests to the home should not be pressured to sign any agreement. Sure, the agent hosting the open house may ask you to sign in with your details. That's a lighter touch approach to build a friendly relationship and possibly keep you in the loop about local homes for sale. Anyone visiting, whether a looky-loo or an unrepresented buyer, needs to be aware that a services agreement with a broker is a binding contract and should be reviewed line by line in your own time, not when visiting an open house.